Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. In the humid and high-pressure environment of a ship's engine room, the accumulation of moisture is a constant threat to the integrity of the compressed air system, and the automatic drain trap is the vital component responsible for removing this condensate before it can cause corrosion or water hammer. Over time, oil mist and carbon particles from the compressor can mix with water to form a thick sludge that clogs the delicate internal mechanisms of these traps, leading to water carryover into the air receivers. Overhauling the automatic drain trap is an essential maintenance task that ensures the longevity of your pneumatic tools and starting air valves. Before starting work, ensure the compressor is stopped and the air system is fully depressurized to avoid any risk of injury from flying debris or high-pressure air bursts. Isolate the drain trap by closing the inlet valves and slowly opening the manual bypass or test cock to verify that no pressure remains inside the unit. Begin the dismantling process by unscrewing the housing bolts to expose the internal float and valve assembly. If your ship uses a float-type trap, check the integrity of the stainless steel or plastic float to ensure it has not become waterlogged or crushed. A damaged float will fail to rise with the water level, leaving the trap permanently closed. Inspect the discharge orifice and the needle valve for signs of erosion or blockage. Even a small piece of scale can prevent the needle from seating properly, causing a constant and wasteful leak of compressed air. Clean all internal parts thoroughly using a non-corrosive degreaser and a soft brush to remove the oily sludge. If the trap uses a solenoid or electronic timer mechanism, inspect the electrical connections for corrosion and ensure the plunger moves freely without sticking. Check the internal strainer screen, which is often the first point of failure, and clear away any trap debris that could restrict the flow. Before reassembly, replace all O-rings and gaskets with new spares to ensure an airtight seal. Apply a tiny amount of silicone lubricant to the moving seals, but avoid over-greasing, as this can attract more dirt and lead to future blockages. As you put the housing back together, ensure the discharge port is clear and that the manual override lever functions correctly. Once the unit is reinstalled, open the inlet valve slowly and observe the trap through a full cycle of operation. You should hear a distinct sharp blast of air as the trap opens, followed by a clean shutoff once the water has been expelled. If the trap gurgles or blows continuously, it may require further adjustment or a replacement of the valve seat. Document the overhaul in the ship's planned maintenance system, including the condition of the parts and the total hours since the last service. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.